If you're ready to create a Facebook business page for your small business, but need a little help getting started, watch to the end of this video because I'm sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a new Facebook page along with important tips to keep in mind along the way. You're going to start by logging into your Facebook profile, then in the upper right corner hit the grid icon, and on the right under Create, hit Page. From there it'll have some prompts for you to fill out. Some things you'll be able to go back and edit later whenever, and other things it's harder for you to change later, like your page name. So try to fill out everything as accurately as possible the first go around. Enter your page name, aka your business name. This is the name that will be visible to Facebook users, so make sure it's spelled right. And again, to keep it simple and easiest for people to find you, just make it your business name. If you own a pet store, there's no need to name your page We Love Dogs 123, unless that's the name of your store, but you get what I'm saying. Then enter the category of business. If you start typing it out, Facebook will show you what options you have, be it a restaurant, a marketing agency, an e-commerce store, or what have you. From there, you can fill out your bio. It says it's optional, but I would suggest filling it out so as to create an optimized page. Give a 1 to 2 sentence summary of your business and make sure you sprinkle in some strategic keywords throughout. For instance, if you own a pizza shop in Key Largo, Florida, let's say, then the words Key Largo, Florida, and pizza shop should all be in your bio. If you offer specialty, gluten-free, or vegan foods, those should also be in your bio. Whatever you think people would search on Facebook when looking for what you offer, put those words in your bio. Then hit the blue Create Page button. So at this point, your page is technically created, but you need to finish setting it up now because else it's gonna look like this and nobody is going to trust or buy from a brand that looks like this, right? So enter your website and the contact number and email for the business, not your personal ones. Now I selected bank for our fake page here, so it's prompting me to enter in an address, but if you selected a category that does not warrant a brick and mortar, it may not ask for this. If you do have a physical location that the public can come and visit, be sure to enter it here. Next, we have hours. So you can either set no hours, in which case it will not display hours on your page, always open 24/7, or open at selected hours where you can then set those hours. This will tell customers when they can visit your store and or purchase from you or contact you depending on your business model. And you can see at the bottom, Facebook is keeping track of our page health score as we go. Once you've got everything on the screen the way you want it, you can click next. Then on this screen, you can add your profile picture and cover photo. Here's what I'll say about the photos you upload here. Number 1, please make sure they're the right size for both desktop and mobile. I cannot tell you how many times clients come to us and when I look at their Facebook page cover photo on my phone, the words are cut off or someone's head is cut off. If you can't upload a Facebook photo correctly, I'm sorry, but people may not trust you to execute the product or service they need correctly. The Facebook cover photo size is 820 pixels wide by 312 pixels tall on desktop. However, mobile users will only see 640 pixels wide by 360 pixels tall. So just use the phone and desktop preview icons to your advantage here and tweak things as needed to make sure everything looks right on both screens. If you want to learn how to design your own optimal cover photo in Canva, which is what we did for ours, you can check out Jelly's tutorial on it here. And then the profile photo is square 170 by 170 pixels. Number 2, make sure both photos are branded. The profile photo should be your logo and the cover photo should be branded and give followers a CTA. Rolling with the pet store example, your profile photo should not be a picture of your dog. It should be your brand name and or logo. Use the cover photo to include a photo of your dog if you want, along with anything specific you want to promote. But small businesses starting from scratch on Facebook need all of the brand awareness and brand recall they can get, and you're not encouraging that if your profile photo and cover photo do not represent your brand. We have been doing a huge cross-promotion push to get people to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that's what the CTA is in our cover photo. For you, it will likely be to shop your store, visit your store, or contact you. Once you've got your profile and cover photo added, you can add an action button. Facebook has a huge list to select from here, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your business. Depending on what you select, Facebook may have you add something such as the website URL you want to direct people to after they click on that button. Once you've got all that set up, you can hit next. If you do a lot of business on WhatsApp, you can link that to your page here. You can set it up for people to click on a button on your Facebook page that takes them to WhatsApp to contact you. So if that's your preferred method of communication, you'll want to set that up now. After that, you can hit next, and it will encourage you to invite all of your Facebook friends to like your page. If you feel comfortable doing that, you can hit invite. If not, you can skip and focus on follower growth methods later. Hit next, and on the next screen, you can decide what kind of notifications you personally want to receive from Facebook about your page, and after that, hit done. From there, it will take you to your public published page, but keep in mind that this is your view of the page as someone with access. Kind of like a back-end view. The public is not going to see editing pencils and messages to you from Facebook everywhere. Anywhere where you do see an editing pencil, you can go back and make changes to that section easily. And if you skipped steps before, Facebook will prompt you to go back and complete them there in the upper left corner of the page. All right, so now I want to talk about a few extra tips that will help your page start to grow once you've created it. But first, let me mention really quickly that if you'd rather have a professional agency just handle all of your social media marketing for you from top to bottom so that you don't have to worry about it and you can just focus on your business. We do that for small businesses every single day. So if you want a free custom marketing proposal and quote to go with it, just fill out our contact form. I have linked it below. All right, let's wrap up with 3 important steps to take after you've created your page. Number 1, you need to start posting, but not just anything. You need a content strategy. I'm going to link this video below to help get you started with a smart, strategic content plan you can follow. Else you're going to start losing followers as quickly as you get them because they're not getting any value from your page. Next, number 2, you need to start getting Facebook followers. I created this video on how to get more Facebook followers that has helped over 100,000 people so far and counting, so I will link this one below as well. And lastly, number 3, it's important to remember that the ultimate goal here is sales, right? Yes, you need to get a loyal community of engaging followers first, but you're not just here to be besties. You want these people to convert from loyal followers into loyal customers. This video walks you through a step-by-step Facebook-specific sales funnel that you can follow to do just that. So I will see you guys over there.